Hello guys, thank you for watching. In this series, we will study the Swift programming language concept by concept. The main purpose of this video series to learn Swift programming for native mobile application development, what features are available in Swift, how to write clean code. We'll see the all topics one by one in upcoming videos. Please watch the entire video series, like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Swift is a programming language we know. The current version is 5.7.2 released at 14th December 2022. The Swift first version released at September 9, 2014. This version supported only macOS. Swift 2.2 released at March 21, 2016. This version supported macOS and Linux. Swift 5.3 released at September 16, 2020. This version supported Mac, Linux and Windows. They have now released the Swift version and its modification 57 plus times in total. Swift is a TypeScript language. It's very clean syntax and very fast executions. It an open source technology. We can also contribute. So multi-platform support. We can execute from Windows, Linux and Mac OS. And Swift is developer friendly. It's very flexible. We can write flexible code and we can extend anywhere. And finally, memory management. Here memory is handled very nicely. From the next video, we will continue with programming basics. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to my channel.